Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV, where you can get your
I
feel so happy today because I know one day I won a car, but I never knew it to be now.
I can't really express my feeling right now. Immediately I got the car, I couldn't sleep overnight.
And I'm so excited. It's an indication that the government will be a very successful one and is ready to work with the youth.
I'm among the 6 lucky winners of this car. I feel so grateful.
I am really grateful for these gifts. I really appreciate him so much, and may God bless him. For me, may his tenure reign for long.